Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Cesar Salad Pinoy style full guide. Gather romaine, garlic, anchovies or patties, calamansi, egg, oil, parmesan, and toasted pandezel or tapa crumbs. Start by toasting crumbs and prepping dressing, then toss lettuce gently to coat and finish with crunchy toppings. Follow timing tips for crisp leaves and flavor balance, and taste as you go to adjust acidity. Start the dressing by emulsifying egg yolk with oil and mashed garlic for a smooth base. Stir in anchovy paste or a dash of patties for umami, then add grated parmesan and calamansi juice to brighten the mix. Whisk steadily until thick and glossy, tasting as you go to hit the right balance of salty, tangy, and creamy. Keep some dressing aside for drizzling at the end. Dry your romaine thoroughly to prevent watered-down dressing and wilted leaves. Toss the lettuce gently with a light coating of dressing, ensuring each leaf gets flavor without sogginess. Add crunchy toasted pandezel or crisp tapa crumbs and finish with a generous grating of parmesan for salinity. Plate quickly and serve so textures stay distinct and the salad remains lively and satisfying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.